थे। हमें हमारे सभी स्कूली बच्चों के रंग बिरंगी सादरीकरण से वंचित होना पड़ा। गत 8-9 महीने से हम हमारे ही घरों में कैद हैं, लेकिन हर वक्त हमें कुछ न कुछ सीख देता है। इस वक्त ने हमें आत्मचिंतन कराया, हमें आत्मनिर्भर बनाया, कम से कम ज़रूरतों में जीना सिखाया। लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, मराठी में एक दो पंक्तियां सादर करती हूँ। समोर ही गर्दी आहे, आपल्यासारखे दर्दी आहे, कार्यक्रम चांगला होणारच, वेळ जरी अर्धी आहे। अब मैं आपके सामने हमारे विश्वस्त एडवोकेट डॉक्टर कन्नल जी, जो एक स्वयं प्रख्यात वकील है, जो अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि हमारा संविधान का प्रारूप कैसे तैयार किया गया, कितनी मेहनत कर लोगों ने करी है इसके पीछे और क्या इसका महत्व है। मैं उनसे निवेदन करती हूँ कि वे हमें मार्गदर्शन करें। कन्नल सर।
मॅडम, तुमचा खूप खूप आभार. First of all, I wish you all 72nd Republic Day. And with me, my colleague, Shri Vishu Lala ji, डॉक्टर अनिता कंवल, ज्योति देशमुख मैडम, शांतनी नायर मैडम, विक्रांत जोशी सर, रीटा वजीरानी, सक्सेना मैडम, along with us is Rajesh Ramrakhiani, the administration in charge of our trust. This Republic Day is unique. This is like when the child take admission and thereafter, after struggling 8 to 10 months, results come and results are very good flying. The moment and the mood of the child is very flourishing. This is a mood which we at Vivekanand are facing. This 10 months of Corona period was very challenging. This was challenging because we know our duties and we wanted to perform our duties at the level best. This is the main motto of our enactment of the Constitution, where the people talk about their rights but forget sometime about their duties. But we, being a responsible citizens, the responsible institute, Vivekananda Education Society, well-known institute in the world, understand their responsibilities, and not only me, but each and every member of the Vivekananda Education Society. I am proud of it. In last 10 months, if you realize, the situation was very, you can say, very terrific. It was very horrifying figure. The situation, the health conditions, the movement, the atmosphere, it was very depressing. But we never considered to the surroundings. We keep our mind and our imagine and our vision high to fulfill our goals. If you realize, all the institutes, they were struggling. Whereas Vivekananda Education Society, teaching and non-teaching staff, each and every member, they were working from their heart. Whether in the campus or whether at home, time by time we applied for new courses, new divisions, additional intake, and we all succeeded in all. Not only we succeeded, we got permissions, but we were able to complete our intake. At one time, we were thinking that due to this pandemic, most of the admissions in the colleges will be affected, because we thought that most of the students will try to search some admissions in nearby colleges. But that thinking was not correct, because Vivekananda is something different, and we fulfill our intake in a full swing. Not only that, we got our admissions full swing, new courses, new intake, new divisions. But Vivekananda Education Society, being a management, they tried to take care of each and every staff member. If you see the surrounding, most of the institutes, they deducted their salaries from 10 to 50%. Vivekananda Education thought of the monetary positions of each of our staff member, not only considering the staff members, but their families also, and the salaries was not deducted even a single rupee. And I am very glad to say that reciprocatory manner, those staff members, those teaching members, those non-teaching members, they have reciprocated their performances, which resulted the outcome, and hence we were able to succeed in many aspects. Subsequently, being educational commitments we have fulfilled. Those commitments were for the students, for the society, for the nation at large, which is our duty, which we are performing, and we have performed. And this is credit goes to all our colleagues, all our staff members. This is Vivekananda Education Society's members. Subsequently, being a social commitment, we seen to it that we can complete those social commitment in our surroundings. First of all, in the month of April, May, June, we distributed masks in the areas of Chembur Camp, Dharavi, and some other areas. Subsequently, wherever the food grains were required, we tried to sponsor those food grains and provided those food grains to some of the family members, some of the nearby vicinities. Wherever the need was there, sometimes sanitization, sometimes liquid, sometimes soap, sometimes some kits. Some hospitals requested for kits. Hospitals were not having kits. Subsequently, some police stations, some fire brigades, they were not having kits. The material which was very much necessary to fight the corona in that critical period. And we tried to fulfill those commitments. And which shows that Vivekananda is not an institute for imparting education, but it's a social commitment also. Each and every family member of Vivekananda is committed to that. I am proud to say that our seniors, they have laid the foundation, which clearly says that Vivekananda is not an institute. Vivekananda is not a mere structure. Vivekananda is not mere walls and bricks and windows, but it has a heart to see the ground level work, and it is a heart to perform that. And I am very proud to say that all proudness which I feel right now, and I am sure all my family members, my teaching staff, my non-teaching staff, my each and every family members, they must have been feeling the same way. One of the things I can appreciate, when our staff was not able to reach, we tried to consider their traveling time, we tried to consider their railway conditions, and we started working from 8th of June, 1 day in a week, thereafter 2 days in a week, thereafter 3 days in a week. And I appreciate that each and every staff, those who were able to come, they said we will come. Though we were telling them you are not entitled, you can come only 1 day in a week, but they used to say that work is there, admissions are there, examination is there, I am ready to come 3 days and I am able to come 3 days, and they were coming, they were attending their offices. This is the unique performance of Vivekananda Education Society. This is the unique way of approach of each and every member. I appreciate when our staff was not able to come, our class 3, class 4 servants, they used to come regularly. When the people were hesitant to touch any of the places, they used to come and clean the grounds, they used to clean the classrooms. I definitely appreciate them. And whenever the need arises, we also arise to that occasion. Not only myself, but all my colleagues, my staff members, they all come together to help each other. This is uniqueness of Vivekananda Education Society where we are surviving. Dear friends, this is not the final stage. This is the beginning. We have to go much ahead. New education policy has come down. New education policy where the other institutes, they are hesitant to understand, they are working on that, they are taking few coaching classes or they are taking guidance. But Vivekananda Education Society has conducted several seminars in this lockdown period where about a seminar, 8,000 people attended those seminars, online seminars. The seminars were attended from 24 states and it was appreciated by everyone. Now we are going ahead because autonomous is likely to start from this college, degree college. Thereafter our other institute, management, pharmacy, engineering, they are following with the autonomous. There was one time when the proposal was there that Vivekananda can form their own university. But we are not willing to because there was some constraint. We are thinking several things, several aspects. But time has come. Time has come where Vivekananda will form one great institute, great university, in which the students from abroad, from US and other countries, they will come and visit to see and take them coaching in the short courses or long courses, whatever. And this is appreciation to our teaching staff. Our teaching staff is a totally dedicated staff. When they come, they don't come for 6 months, 10 months, 1 year. They don't come for salaries. They don't come for scales. They join Vivekananda as a family and they remain as a family till 35 years, 25 years, 40 years, till their retirement. The classic example was in the last year when our Furnace Madam retired. The Furnace Madam who joined as a faculty, vice principal, subsequently retired, though we not willing to leave her. But due to her family constraint, she was not able to continue after retirement also. Our Deshmukh Madam, she came as a college, Vivekananda College as a salaries or as a opportunity, employment opportunity. But Deshmukh Madam is so attached and we are so attached that we don't want to leave Deshmukh Madam. And the performance is seen by all. The same way Anita Kamal Madam. She joined as a faculty. She was a student. She joined as a faculty. Now she is a principal. And like that, there are several examples. Shantini Madam, now what the performance? Appreciable performance. The UGC, the Intake, AICT, whatever you say, we are now not only the performer, but we are winners. Our Vikrant Joshi sir, Polytechnic is one of the best in Maharashtra as the visiting faculties, visiting members of AICT and accreditation, they have said so. They said that your Polytechnic stands different from other polytechnics. The polytechnics in other parts of the Maharashtra, they are not able to fulfill their seats. They are not able to perform. They are not able to continue their courses. Time to time, if they are not able to fill seats, they are closing down. But Vivekananda Polytechnic stands different. Dear friends, this is not only the case of one institute, this is a case of all institutes. And I am sure if I will start, Deshmukh Madam will not permit me. He says, sorry sir, we gave you 5 minutes, you are already crossed 12 minutes. So my dear friends, I wish you all the best. And this Republic is different. Next will be totally different. We will be having different stage in university, in social life, in the country. And I'm sure the other universities, foreign universities, those who are trying to tie up with us, we will be much better in that. And definitely we will decide to tie up with which university and not to tie up with which university. So I wish you all the best and again wish you for this Republic Day. Thank you.